The make money farce, you have seen them and probably received thousands of them since you have begun internet marketing. They come out the woodworks, don't they? Opportunities promising that you too can make money online with little to no effort. You then invest your money into the opportunity only to find out there aren't any pies in the sky, only the cold hard reality that you just spent some of your rent money on someone's new car. Yes, this is the reality many internet marketers face. I have been there. I started in this business with my father, and let me tell you, we have seen every scam under the sun. Why? Because we were those people who had a dream and wanted to help other people through success, only to find out there ain't no free lunch in business. The cold hard truth is that business is business. Period. There are a million work from home opportunities contrived each year. There are many more gullible individuals who buy into the dream. In the end, they are left like me and my dad, a few $1,000s shorter. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. But it's online and it has to be true. Here is a revelation. People who scam lie. They don't just lie a little, it's more like lie a lot. They want you to trust them, and to believe their story. But when it comes to delivering, well, you know. You've been there 1,001 times. You've spent your money on the magic potions of the internet only to realize that you are out of money and now have a rash, the legendary rash of discouragement. I'm not here to sell you a pie in the sky. I am here to be your jolt of reality. Sleeper, it's time to wake up. The internet is not some new invention that defies the laws of business. It is business on steroids. Imagine the business rules you know and then multiply them by the sheer volume of variables now introduced by the online component. The internet can allow you to become very wealthy or very broke. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. So, can I make money online or not? You can, young Jedi. I know some of the things I've said may be a little cheeky, but I am serious. There is no money like internet business online money. The thing is, you have to see it for what it is. Your internet business is just that, a business. Do not enter the online business field with any other mindset than I am going to run my business. There is nothing more rewarding and satisfying professionally than running your own business. And if ran right, your internet business can feed you and your family. You may be looking for quick ways to make money. Once you set up your business, depending upon the model you use, the money can come quick. It all comes down to you and your imagination. Add hustle, grind, and grit and you got something. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.